Good morning, guys. How's it going? It is Sunday and I just woke up, so I have to take a shower. But this daily vlogging thing is hard, dude. Like I have to find something interesting to do every single day. What if you guys don't like what I do, and like some days it might be boring, and that's like, it's hard to, like, I don't know, man. It's that vlog life. So I'm honestly like so sorry if like some vlogs are more interesting than others, and some like are so boring you don't even want to watch them. Like, I'm trying my best to make them all entertaining for you guys, but like getting something like really fun every single day, it's really hard to do. So I'm so sorry. Just got done with my shower, and I'm sorry if you hear like a vacuum noise in the background. I know we had a barbecue yesterday, but today we're actually hosting a barbecue, so my parents are getting ready for that. And I have to get dressed and help them, so. So right now we are currently waiting for the people to come. There's copyrighted music playing. I hope I don't get a copyright strike, but I don't know if I can vlog throughout the whole barbecue because I don't know if they're okay with me putting them on YouTube, so. If you don't see any vlog footage, I'm sorry. I'll show you like the food and stuff like that, but if you don't see any of the kids, sorry about that.
Once again. The way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
Nice. Yo guys, party just ended and we cleaned up and everything. It's pretty late right now, and I realized I didn't really do anything today. I don't really have anything to vlog, so let me go find something to do. Okay guys, so I decided to come into my basement and play ping pong with my uncle, who's actually staying at our house right now. So yeah.
The way your son don't need a gun to get respect.
Nice. Nice. Nice.
Okay, so we just got done, and yo, I'm so sorry guys, we really didn't do anything this whole vlog. Like, that party was I mean, the kids weren't really my age, so it wasn't the most fun party, but...
Ryan!
You had a really bad reaction for the vlog. That's gonna end today's vlog, guys. Sorry it was so boring, yeah, but like we didn't really do anything today, and I'm sorry. Tomorrow will be better.